Hi everyone, today I have to show this animation in Canva. So let's go to your Canva and choose video and select this video resolution and click on zoom and increase to see this timeline bigger. Now go to this plus button, add black media, and now go to its color and change its background color to this gradient color. And now go to elements and type here search bar, go to photos, scroll down and choose this one and increase its size and place it in center of the page and set its time duration to this one. Now go to animate it, go to animation and animate it Alt TV. Now go to text, add your text like typewriter. Go to fonts and change its fonts which you want. Increase the Now go to animate it, animate as typewriter and set its time duration also like this. Now again go to elements and search about mouse cursor. Go to graphics and choose this one. Increase its size and animate it also as scrapbook. Now go to elements again and go to shapes and select the circle and change its color to white and decrease its size like the blue circle. And put it here and animate it also. Go to animation and animate it flicker. Now add the sound effect. Go to elements again, search for keyboard and select this one sound and set it as this animation and decrease its time duration. Now also go to elements and search, mouse click and choose this audio and set it also according to this time duration. And now you see the final results. And this is final results. I hope you like this tutorial. So thank you for watching my video.